this is my response to paper number 4. Okay, this paper is a good paper overall, so I don't actually have a lot to say about the paper, but except for some like few things that can be improved. Okay, second page. On the second page, at the very bottom of the second page, is the student says, "This class, writing as communication, will help me in my professional goals by teaching me how to communicate in a way I would not already have known how to." To me, this part, teaching me how to communicate in a way I would not already have known how to, this part sounds really vague. And perhaps the student wrote in such a way because he or she is not aware of the contents of this course yet. That's understandable because it's still the beginning of the course, and it's kind of like hard to tell, what are the things that we'll be actually covering in the course, just by having taken 2 or 3 classes. But eventually we'll learn more about what needs to be learned in this course, and then students will have a better idea of what the course is about. Okay, the last paragraph. So in this paragraph, the student is actually writing about some of the things that the student is expecting from the course, except in the last 2 sentences where it goes overall, I'm happily furthering my education as a communication major here at UMass Amherst. Hopefully, with the classes, professors, and students I engage with, I will succeed in my future endeavors. So these last 2 sentences not specifically about writing as communication. Com 375 is these 2 sentences seems to be more about her future. Okay, so I would actually take them out, not take them out, but I would actually separate these 2 from the rest of the paragraph and then put them in a new paragraph. Okay, so that's my comment for the paper. A few notes. Please include page numbers. Okay, I wrote the page numbers on behalf of the students. And another thing is to write a title. Okay, for now, the paper does not really have a title except for the assignment name, which is the reflection writing assignment. That's not really a title. So yeah, I think since the paper is a little bit about the student's background, his or her transition from another college, Lynn University, to UMass Amherst, and the student's continuation of the major from, let's see, public relations and advertising to communication. They're kind of like similar or related. So I would say something about, I don't know, I'll put the title as something like my continuation of communication in 2 colleges, I don't know, in my future. Alright, so yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for giving me a chance to read your paper.